Hello everybody, today I am so happy and excited to share this craft haul because this is our first gold brand influencer kit. Yes, we have got promoted from silver to gold brand influencers by Dress My Craft and I am so excited to open this parcel. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So the first item is this Guliton paper trimmer, which is perfect for cutting cardstocks, felt sheets, fabric, leather sheets and much more. It measures 6 by 8.5 inches and look at the packaging, it is really very nice. This is looking super cute. All the measurements are there and the blades are really very sharp. I am so excited to use it. For a quick demo, I am taking a 300 GSM cardstock. Put your cardstock here and press it like this. Boom! It was so smooth and look at the crisp and clean cut it gives. I really loved it and a big thumbs up for this cutter. If you are looking for a big size paper trimmer, then you can go for this also. It can cut up to 12 by 17 inches papers and it opens like this. It has two blades in it. The first one is for scoring purpose and the second one is for paper trimming. This one is also very convenient and useful. You can check them out on their website. So the second item is these beautiful paper pads. The first one is this Mr. and Mrs. This is a foiled paper pack. It has golden and silver foiling. You can see that on the cover page also. And here are some tags for embellishing your albums and cards. These designs are so beautiful. Look at the shine. We all know that DMC never compromise with the quality. The foiling is so perfect. Look at this. It has silver and golden foiling and the designs are as always so pretty. Then we have Love Blooms. It is a semi-foiled paper pack, perfect for coming Valentine season. You can use in your Valentine projects and cards. The colors are not so ordinary. They are so beautiful. Look at the shine. And again, just the perfect texture, print and quality. This paper is so pretty in real. Look at the designs. These two prints are my fave among all. Now the next item which we have got is mini sequence family set. It has 12 beautiful colors. We have orange and it has a holographic effect. I hope you can see it. Then we have neon green, purple, yellow, red, sea green, pink, pastel pink, look at the shine, sky blue, one more shade of green and one more shade of sky blue, pastel sky blue and the last one is brown. And then we have the best launch of the month by Dress My Craft. It's reactive foil and it has 4 foil sheets, measures 12 by 18 inches. Reactive foil sheets are used for adding the extra glam to your projects. These can be used with laminator machines or any other foil machines. You can also use them with foil adhesives to create 3D look. Do give it a try. These are so amazing. All the colors and the quality, and in the terms of prices also they are really affordable. So give them a try. And if you want a separate tutorial video on how to use them with laminator and without laminator, then comment below and we will make a tutorial for you guys for sure. And then we have the most cutest item of this kit, which is this family set of pastel sprinkles. Look at this box. this is so damn cute. And they have 6 jars of different colors. The first one is purple, yellow, green and pink, sky blue. And the best part is it comes with this cute package. And we have some tassels in the shades of yellow and pink. Then we have these heart domes to create hangings for our albums and cards. We have heart as well as circle shape also. These round domes. After this we have this classic doily die. And for the coming Valentine season we have got this couple and heart die. Then we have a pack of mirror cardstock and a pack of iris papers. It has 10 sheets of 12 by 12 inches. These sheets are perfect for flower making. It is of 180 GSM, perfect texture and whiteness. Lastly we have this bubblegum accessory. So this is it for today. I hope you liked all the products, and if you want to purchase any of these items then don't forget to check the description box, and just don't worry about the quality and prices. TressMyCraft has the best quality and the prices in market. You don't need to worry about anything. And if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and comment below. We would love to see your feedbacks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video super soon. Bye bye.